Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine. By the grace of Allah, I am also fine. I am Nuri Jannat Pradhan with you in this class. Today we will discuss on the topic of article. Articles is a word that comes before a noun. There are three articles in English and they are a and the. These three articles are also divided into two parts, and they are definite article and indefinite article. There is only one definite article, and that is the. And there are two indefinite articles, and they are a and an. We can also see in this diagram with the examples. What is definite article? Definite article is a determiner that introduces a noun which has already mentioned. And indefinite article. Indefinite article is a determiner that refers to a non-specific things or a new concept. So let's see more example. Indefinite article. Indefinite article. How many are indefinite article? There are two, a and an. At the first number, a. A is used when the next word begins with a consonant sound. That means when our word will start with the consonant alphabet, suppose B, C, D, F, or might the sound pronounced at consonant, we will use your A. Here is the example. This. We'll use your A article. The next, an. An is used when the next word begins with a vowel sound. That means A, E, I, O, U. That means when your word will start with vowel alphabet, we'll use your an. For example, apple, elephant, umbrella. Here, all these three words started with vowel alphabet. And number 3, the definite article. When we'll use definite article? When something that is unique or there is only one. Unique means which thing only one of its kinds. Like the sun, the moon. There is only one sun and one moon in this earth, and that's why we have used here the article. Number 2, second time you talk about the same noun. That means when we have already talked, when we at first talk about a things, we use your a article or an article. But when we repeat this same noun in our next topic or sentence, we'll use there the article before the noun. For example, I bought a shirt. The shirt is red. Here you will notice at the first sentence, before shirt there is a, but in the next sentence there is the article before the shirt because we have already talked about this shirt at our first sentence. When we got this same noun at our second sentence, we use here the article. And number 3, directions, cardinal point. That means before the fourth direction, east, west, north, south, we use the article. So we have already learned which are definite article and which one is indefinite article. Today we will discuss in details from these three. Today we will discuss one of them from these three articles. And that is definite article, the. Here you can see a list of using definite articles, the. Number 1, before specific countable or uncountable nouns. That means The noun may be countable or uncountable, singular or plural. But if it is specific, we'll use the article before that nouns, like the soap, the dog, the cats. Number 2, something or someone already mentioned. We have already talked about this point. Now come number 3, before the superlative words. Suppose burst, best, latest, largest. This superlative word, before this superlative words we use the article. Number 4, musical instruments. Before the name of any musical instruments we use also the article. Number 5, before the name of any nationalities we also use there the article. The Greeks, the French. Before the name of any family names. Number 7, before name of any hotels. Number 8, before name of any cinemas. Number 9, before the name of newspapers like the New York Times, the Guardian. And number 10, before the name of any organizations we also used the article. Number 11, before the name of seas, rivers and oceans. Number 12, before the name of deserts we also use the article, like the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert. Number 13, before the name of mountains we also use the article. Number 14, before the name of before some group of islands, name of subgroup of islands we also use the articles. Number 15, before some country's name. That means not before all countries' name, only some specific countries. That means which country's name consists of more than one words, like USA full name is United States of America, UK, United Kingdom. That means this country's name consists of more than one words. So before this kind of names we use the article. Number 16, before dates. Before the ordinal number, first, second, third, we'll use the article. Number 17, the morning, the evening, afternoon and the evening. And the last number 18, before any unique people or things we use the article. So dear students, I hope all of you will be able to use this definite article in your sentence. Here is a list of exercise for you. I hope you will try at your home. So today is the end of this class. Assalamu alaikum.